Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook this chicken roast. So what I need to make is just for the seasoning. So I've got about 3 tablespoons of butter and I'm adding chicken seasoning, about a tablespoon. Just adding some garlic powder, barbecue seasoning, some onion powder, black pepper, some paprika, and salt. So I'm also going to add some lemon juice. So just adding lemon juice. So just mixing this mixture. So I'm just adding tomato puree in there. Tomato puree. Well guys, I'm just adding fresh parsley and fresh coriander from the garden. So if you don't have the fresh herbs, you can skip this. Alright, in a baking tray, I'm going to add my chicken. So the chicken is washed and cleaned. So there is the chicken there. So just making sure the chicken is nice and marinated. Just adding a little bit of seasoning, so barbecue seasoning. And now in the oven, I'm going to put in the oven for about an hour, 180 degrees for about 1 hour. So just adding some oil just for the veggies for my roast. Black pepper, barbecue seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt. Alright, so guys, just putting the vegetables on the side. Alright guys, this is the chicken roast now. I'm going to roast it for 1 hour, 180 degrees, and I'll come back and show you how it looks, and the vegetables will be cooked also. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.